Hello, it's me, Bart the Dragon, and these are my friends, Vincent Van Gogh and Yellow Sunny Bunny.
Hello. Hello.
And today, me, Vincent, and Yellow Sunny Bunny are gonna do a Baby Einstein Easter puppet show. So let's get started.
Okay.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
We're fine. How are you?
It was pretty good, so does that.
Yeah. You like our Easter eggs?
Yeah, look at this.
See them?
Wow, that's so beautiful.
We dyed them.
Yeah.
Because you know when Easter is?
What?
Tomorrow!
Yay! When these eggs are dried out, we need to put stickers on.
Okay, that sounds like fun.
Well, thank you guys for watching for our video, and we'll see you in the next video.